How to make a phone call with Hangouts. Google Hangouts is a communication platform developed by Google which includes messaging, video chat, and VoIP features. It replaces three messaging products that Google had implemented concurrently within its services, including Google Talk, Google Messenger, and Hangouts, a video chat system present within Google. Use Hangouts to keep in touch, message contacts, start free video or voice calls, and hop on a conversation with one person or group. You can use Hangouts to call international and domestic phone numbers. Android computer, iPhone app, iPad. So how to make a phone call with Hangouts? Before you start, download the app. Download the Hangouts dialer. Download the latest version of the Hangouts app. Check your phone, you need to have Android 4.1 or higher. Find out about data rates, if you use your data connection, and your phone's data plan. To make a phone call, ask your service provider for details about costs. See availability. Get a Google account, sign up for a Google account, if you don't already have one. Make a phone call. You can't make Hangouts your default calling app, but you can choose the Hangouts dialer when you call someone from a website or app. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Hangouts dialer app. Type the person's name or phone number, and select them from the search results. To dial a number, at the bottom, tap Dial Pad. Tap Call. Buy calling credit. On your phone or tablet, open the Hangouts dialer app. At the top right, tap Add. In the new window, under Add Calling Credit, tap $10. Complete your credit purchase with your Google account. You can see your balance at the top of the Hangouts dialer app. If your call doesn't work, the country may not support Hangouts calling. Check if you have strong internet connection, or at least 3G data. Make sure that you have enough credit in your account. If you're outside the US, use the country code when dialing or texting your contacts and phone numbers, even if it's local to your home or to where you're traveling.